Meaning of feedback.
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 Feedback. Feedback refers to the information received by an individual or system about their performance or behavior. This information is used to evaluate and improve future actions. The result of feedback can be positive, negative, or neutral and can have varying degrees of impact on the individual or system receiving it. Positive feedback reinforces good behavior, negative feedback helps correct undesirable behavior, and neutral feedback provides no direction for future improvements. Effective feedback is critical for personal and professional growth, and regular feedback loops can lead to continuous improvement in individuals, teams, and organizations.